Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw items from Microsoft Planner buckets using filters. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw items from Microsoft Planner buckets using filters, start by launching the Microsoft Planner app or navigating to the web version. Once you're in Planner, locate the specific plan that contains the buckets you wish to filter. Click on the plan to open it. On the plan view, you will see different buckets containing tasks. To filter tasks, look for the filter icon usually represented by a funnel at the top of the screen. Click on the filter icon to open the filtering options. In the filter menu, you can select various criteria such as due dates, labels, and assign members. Choose the filter criteria that best suits your needs. For example, if you want to view tasks assigned to a specific member, select their name from the list. Once you've made your selections, the tasks displayed will automatically update based on your chosen filters. Scroll through the filtered tasks to find the items you wish to withdraw. To withdraw an item, click on the task you want to take action on. After clicking the task, a Details pane will open on the right side of the screen. In the Details pane, you can update the task status or move it to a different bucket if necessary. If you want to completely remove the task from your view, you can delete it by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the task pane. Select the Delete option to remove the task. Once you finish making any changes, close the Details pane to return to the main plan view. You can repeat this process for any additional tasks you want to withdraw from the buckets. This method allows you to efficiently manage and filter your tasks in Microsoft Planner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.